Hello and welcome to Google Cloud Platform Console 101. This is going to go over just a few of the basics from the GCP console and how to use it best. So to start off, there are a few basics I want to cover right away. First is in the top panel right next to Google Cloud Platform, you'll see TechSnips Demo. That is the project name. Every resource in Google Cloud has a project associated with it, and that's how you'll see billing or IAM permissions assigned. There are a few other panels here on the dashboard that I want to cover, namely Project Info, which is in the top left corner. And you'll see a few details about that project. You'll also see API requests per second and some other stats including billing. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll see additional documentation, getting started, and news about Google Cloud. Going back up to the top here, if we click on Customize in the top right corner, you'll see there's a few other things that we aren't seeing that we could change. So if we were using compute instances, for example, we could turn on Compute Engine. And if we didn't want to have the Getting Started panel here, let's turn that off, then click Done. And you'll see that those two have now changed on our dashboard here. If we move over to Activity, you'll see these are all the actions I've taken on this project. So this is a good audit trail if anything happens and you need to know what resources have changed. Let's go back to Dashboard, and up here in the top left corner we have our navigation menu, and these are all of the resources that are available to you in GCP. If we scroll down here, we'll see things like Compute, Kubernetes, SQL, IAM, Stackdriver, so on and so forth. But if there's some that you know you're going to be using more than others, you could click on the pin here, and it will appear just at the top of the list. That way, if we wanted to minimize our products window here, we just have the ones we're interested in. And if they have continuation arrows on the right side, you'll see that there's other things we can do with them here. So for example, under Compute Engine, I have VM instances, and disks, snapshots, etc. And we can click on one of those. And you see we don't have anything running right now, but we have the ability to create or import some. And the last thing I want to point out is the Activate Cloud Shell here. Now, Cloud Shell is really a nifty feature. By clicking that, it will provision a container for you with a shell with the Google Cloud SDK already installed. So if I wanted to type gcloud help, we'll see some information on the gcloud command line here. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.